Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find the lane with the most and least damage per second on your garden in Plants vs Brain Rot. So if you go and kind of like look and kind of like hover your mouse over, you can kind of see the DPS that they give one by one here. But for instance, you don't want to add them all. If you go to the back, you can see the total DPS here. So this row has the least DPS, so I think I'm just going to change one of the dragon fruit. Here there's 398. Okay, so this one has the least. I think I'm just going to pick up my plant and I'm going to replace it with an eggplant instead. And I think I'm just going to do that to something else, to another dragon fruit maybe, or maybe this sunflower. I think I'm just going to shovel it up and I'm going to exchange it with an eggplant, which is a better plant than the well, it has much more damage than the sunflower, so that's why I did that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.